What up, guys? El Patronn here, and we got
Eddie Steffan, nice to meet you
Mr.
guys.
Eddie himself. This guy sells more Beamers than anybody in the country, guys. Tell me a little bit of what we do at the store.
So I'm a client advisor and I'm also a customer experience manager. But really early on, I learned that people aren't knocking down the doors to buy BMWs. You got to go out and find and recruit and get people to come and want to work with you. And show them that there's a better way to buy a car than what we've been prone to.
Great.
So I just try to do a lot of promotional videos, how to, who I am, what the experience can be about, and I've gotten a lot of positive impact from it, which has made me the number one, number two, producer at my store. Only being 3 years in the industry, and for the first 2 years not getting any training, not being taught anything, not really learning anything, and in the last year just really developing.
I follow you when you make that move.
Yeah,
I follow you
and
make that
becoming,
move.
the person that I want to be in this industry this day.
Absolutely. Guys, we just finished the first day of Hustle and Grind. How'd you like the conference?
It was fire.
Yeah, it was.
It was
Shaka
amazing.
killed it at the end.
Shaka destroyed it
Yeah,
at
he
the
did.
end. Fire-breathing dragon on stage, man.
Yeah, that was a lot of passion. That was
Yes.
pretty cool. I'm looking forward for tomorrow. Eric,
Yes.
obviously.
Eric.
I've been listening to him
Can't
for like
wait.
10 years.
Yeah, I've been listening to him for all 3 years I've been in
Yeah.
auto.
And now we get to be in the same room with him.
Oh,
right?
I can't wait.
So how amazing
It's
is
going
that?
to be powerful.
Well, I have a conference December 3rd.
Yep.
All right. It's all about automotive. It's all about, what the industry, disrupting the industry, what we're doing, like stuff like
Changing the
me and-
stigmas.
Changing the stigmas, things like me and you are doing in social media and whatnot. But I appreciate
Absolutely.
Pleasure meeting you.
Always,
Keep doing what
always
you're
love
doing.
your videos, Rudy.
Yes, thank you, sir.
AKA El Patronn.
Yes, sir. So we get down. All right, guys. So we're out from Orlando. Check us out.
See you guys in December.
I'll put it on his channel. We'll be on my channel. And let's rock out, guys. December 3rd. See you guys at the conference.